Thank you so much to Fenarium for the Fenarium for the prime and V Arrogant as well for the prime. Okay, let's play. I meant to go E4, not E3. So now I'll change it into a D4 system. Or actually, no, let's play in English here. Playing English with C4 and E3. Have I tried Arabian food? Well, I mean, I've had some stuff like I've had some stuff that I guess is Middle Eastern, like baba ganoush. What else have I had? I mean, like pita and some of that sort of stuff, which I think is like Middle Eastern, Levantish. I don't know the exact differences. Okay, I'm gonna go G3 and fianchetto the bishop, and then I'm also gonna go knight E2, and then play for D4, F4 with the knight. So, anyway, no, why am I playing 500? So we're doing an educational range, trying to explain some of the basics in the opening phase of the game. Now, I could move the bishop, then he takes, and my pawns get stacked. So I'm going to start with knight E2 so that I can take and not ruin my pawn structure here, and then I will fianchetto the bishop and castle the king. Have I had Tabbouleh? I've had Tabbouleh a lot, yeah. But again, I don't know what's like what is Middle Eastern or what is like Greek and Turkish and everything else. Like it all kind of blends together for me. Okay, he goes D5, but I see 1, 2, 3 attacking. He's guarding with 1 and 2. So it's a free pawn. So I will just take the knight because I have 1, 2, and he has 1, 2. So I should be winning this trade. Thank you so much to Galois RG for the prime. They need a Gerbiter for the prime. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, so he takes with the knight. If I take with the bishop, he might have some bishop H3. I did stop it from castling. So let's take with the pawn, bring the queen out, hit the bishop, and that's a Botez gambit. Rolex sponsorships after your comments on day 2. No, no sponsorships incoming as far as I know, but it's all good. That's a real 400 indeed, you guys, indeed. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing really, really well. It's been a while since I last streamed. I'm not going to be streaming a lot this month because obviously I'm playing here and I'm playing in Isle of Man afterwards, but it's all good. So yeah, he knows what he's doing. Okay, I'm going to drop the juicer back, castle the king, and then eventually try to bring the bishop and the rook into the game somehow. I don't know whether I'll go this way or this way, but get the bishop rook in the game, and then eventually having the extra queen will win me the game. Any tournament after Isle of Man? After Isle of Man, I do not have any tournaments scheduled. There probably will be a World Rapid and Blitz later on, but we'll see. Because Rook E8. Okay, now I'm just going to try to open up the board because I have an extra queen here. So I'm happy to just trade off all these dangerous pieces here. The rooks, the bishops, and the knight. Thoughts on the U.S. Championships? I saw Fabiano won. I mean, I think if I look objectively, Fabiano's played the best chess. I mean, I feel like some of the other players who are at the top have been a little bit lucky. If I were giving you guys like the pure breakdown, I would say Fabiano's played well. I mean, I wouldn't say great. He's played well. He's played what you expect from him when he's playing really well. Mishra, to me, has actually had the second best tournament by a country mile. Mishra's been very, very enterprising in a lot of games. I mean, no expectations for Mishra to do well whatsoever. I think Mishra's played great. Not Fabiano, sorry. Like Wesley and Lenny or Dominguez are both on +2. Both have been extremely lucky, though. I mean, if you look at the game yesterday, Wesley 100% should have lost to Ray Robson. Got extremely lucky to win that game. I mean, the quality of his play was not there at all. So Wesley got very lucky to win yesterday. Dominguez played a good game against Andrew Tang, but I think there was another game he won that he should not have won, or maybe a game he should have lost if he drew. So I would say that objectively, I feel like Fabiano's been pretty impressed, and I feel like Mishra's had a great tournament. Let's take the bishop, hit the knight, hit the pawn. This is going to be winning pretty soon. Yeah. So I would say when I look at it overall, I've been very, very impressed by Mishra. I mean, he clearly, I know some people are going to get annoyed or try to start some drama with me saying this, but I think Mishra by far and away is the, I mean, if anybody's going to get there of the U.S. juniors, I think it's definitely going to be Mishra. He's so young. He's only like 14 or 15. He's already playing very well against the top dogs. I mean, mind you could say he got a little bit lucky yesterday because he was losing in his game against Shanklin, but he kept it together, and I would just say I've been pretty impressed by his play altogether. So we're going to get a checkmate here very soon. Okay, let's keep going.